Hello ASP, this is Coach Char again. Welcome back. We're going to play a game called Name That Sound. I have a couple of items in my Head-Royce bag. I'm going to make a sound and you all are going to try to figure out what sound I have made. All right, we ready to go? You can write your answer down on a piece of paper. I'm going to reveal the answers once I show my five items. Here we go. First one is, this is the first sound. Sound number one. Sound number two. Sound number two. All right. Sound number three. Hopefully you guys are writing down your answers. Sound number three. Sound number three. We got two more items, you all. You guys are doing a great job. Hopefully you're having fun. Item number four. Here we go. All right. And last but not least, item number five. All right, hopefully you have wrote down your answers. I am now going to reveal the correct answers. So number one was a water bottle. Water bottle. All right. Number two, Xbox controller. Xbox. All right, number three was tape. Got some tape. Number three, tape. Number four, Mancala. And the last one, number five was a set of keys. All right, everybody. Hopefully you had fun with Coach Char. This is called Name That Sound. Get ready for part two. Part two coming up. See y'all later. Bye.